Imagine stumbling upon a secret so profound it alters our understanding of the cosmos. What if Earth itself is not just a random celestial occurrence, but a meticulously orchestrated experiment by advanced alien civilizations? What hidden truths lie in the ancient relics and mythologies of our world? And how might this revelation reshape our identity and destiny in the universe? Dive into this cosmic mystery with us as we unravel the possibilities of Earth as an alien laboratory. In the vastness of the cosmos, where stars are born and die in breathtaking nebulae, and galaxies spiral in the silent ballet of the universe, our home, Earth, emerges as a singular oasis of life. A jewel of water and green, swirling in the velvety darkness, it cradles an astounding diversity of life forms. But what if the existence of this oasis is not merely a fortunate accident of cosmic circumstances? What if its inception, evolution, and thriving biodiversity are the results of deliberate manipulation? This notion beckons us to redefine not just the Earth, but also our understanding of alien entities whose origins and essence are not of this world, and whose technologies and intentions defy our understanding. And experiment, a methodical undertaking designed to test a hypothesis, in this context, possibly the grandest of all, conducted not in a lab, but on the galactic scale, with Earth as the test subject. For centuries, humanity has gazed upon the stars, pondering our place in the universe and the possibility of others beyond the celestial veil. This curiosity has birthed countless theories, some grounded in the newfound evidence of exoplanets and the universal principles of biology, others in the enigmatic remnants of ancient civilizations whose achievements baffle modern understanding. These speculations suggest not mere visitations, but a profound and ongoing involvement of extraterrestrial beings in the tapestry of Earth's history. Ancient texts and monuments, inexplicable technological leaps, and the sudden blossoming of civilizations hint at the guiding hand of sophisticated outsiders. Could Earth's journey through the epochs be a narrative not solely of natural evolution, but of careful, deliberate sculpting? This exploration transcends mere fascination with the unknown. It ventures into the realm of asking fundamental questions about our origins, our uniqueness in the universe, and the potential purposes behind such cosmic experimentation. Are we, as residents of Earth, participants in an elaborate trial observed by unseen eyes? What objectives could drive such an experiment? The pursuit of knowledge, the cultivation of life as art, or a more pragmatic aim related to the experimenters themselves? This discussion does not aim to leap to conclusions, but to wander the rich landscape of possibilities, armed with curiosity and a willingness to entertain the profound implications of Earth as more than a planet, but a project. Delving into the annals of human history, we encounter artifacts and records that defy conventional explanations, fueling theories of ancient astronauts. These theories propose that extraterrestrial visitors, mistaken for deities or supernatural beings, influenced early human civilizations. Consider the Nazca lines in Peru, vast geoglyphs carved into the desert, visible in full only from the sky, suggesting an audience above. Or the Antikythera mechanism, a device of such complexity that it hints at an understanding of celestial mechanics far beyond the grasp of the ancient Greeks who possessed it. These and other artifacts, such as the intricate Sumerian star maps and the Egyptian pyramids, align with a narrative of guidance from the stars, a legacy of knowledge and inspiration seeded by visitors from beyond Earth. The tapestry of human mythology is rich with tales that, through the lens of modern understanding, could be reinterpreted as encounters with extraterrestrial beings. The Hindu epic of the Mahabharata speaks of Vimanas, flying chariots that roamed the skies, engaging in aerial battles with weapons capable of catastrophic destruction, reminiscent of modern descriptions of nuclear warfare. Norse mythology tells of the gods coming from the stars, equipped with artifacts and powers beyond human comprehension. Similarly, the Dogon people of Mali possess detailed astronomical knowledge, including the existence of Sirius B, a companion star to Sirius, invisible to the naked eye and undiscovered by modern science until the 19th century. These stories, widespread and diverse, suggest a global tapestry of encounters woven into the very fabric of human culture. While the allure of such theories and tales is undeniable, a critical analysis is essential to navigate the murky waters between fact and fiction. Skeptics argue that many ancient astronaut theories rely on a misinterpretation of archaeological evidence, an underestimation of ancient human ingenuity, or both. The Nazca lines, for example, while impressive, could have been constructed using simple tools and techniques available at the time, without the need for aerial supervision. The Antikythera mechanism, while advanced, represents the culmination of Greek astronomical knowledge, rather than proof of extraterrestrial intervention. Moreover, the mythological accounts, rich and vivid, may speak more to the human capacity for storytelling and the universal search for meaning in the stars than to historical facts. A balanced approach requires weighing these enchanting possibilities against the rigors of scientific scrutiny, understanding that the line between past human achievement and alien influence is both delicate and profound. Across the eroded sands of time lie relics of bygone civilizations, whispering tales of contact with beings beyond our earthly realm. From the vast, precise lines of Nazca, perceivable only from the skies, to the monolithic stones of Stonehenge aligned with celestial phenomena, our ancestors left behind enigmatic markers that defy simple explanation. Ancient astronaut theories posit these artifacts as evidence of extraterrestrial visitors, beings with knowledge and technology vastly surpassing that of the people of the time. Detailed in texts like the Epic of Gilgamesh or depicted in the intricate carvings of Egypt, these accounts suggest not just visitation, but interaction. Extraterrestrials imparting knowledge that propelled human civilizations forward. The mythology of every culture holds stories of gods descending from the heavens, wielding powers that to the modern scientific mind resonate not with divinity, but with advanced technology. Hindu scriptures speak of vimanas, flying chariots that traverse the skies and beyond. The Greek pantheon interacted with humanity, wielding weapons and tools of immense power and performing feats that blur the lines between myth and what could be perceived as evidence of extraterrestrial technology. These mythologies, rich and diverse, from the Dreamtime stories of Australian Aboriginals to the celestial dragons of Chinese folklore, might not just be the product of human imagination, but a collective memory of encounters with alien beings. While the allure of ancient astronaut theories and mythological interpretations is undeniable, a rigorous critical analysis is essential. The scientific method demands evidence that can withstand scrutiny, separating anecdotal artifacts and stories from verifiable facts. Many artifacts and stories, when examined closely, reveal explanations grounded in the knowledge and context of the time rather than requiring extraterrestrial origins. Yet some elements remain intriguingly unexplained, suspended between the known and the unknowable. This careful delineation between fact and fiction serves not to dismiss the possibility of extraterrestrial contact, but to reinforce the integrity of our quest for understanding, ensuring that our exploration is guided by both wonder and skepticism. Science offers us a narrative of Earth's birth from the cosmic dust, a tale of collisions and chemistry that gave rise to a planet uniquely suited for life. From the primordial soup, where organic molecules sparked into the simplest life forms, to the dizzying diversity of life that followed, Earth's story is one of remarkable natural processes. The understanding of DNA, the genetic blueprint that threads through all living things, reveals a complex, interconnected web of life that evolved over billions of years, shaped by natural selection and environmental pressures. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, represents humanity's quest to break the silence of the cosmos, listening for signals from civilizations beyond our own. Employing an array of telescopes and technology, SETI scans the stars for signs of intelligent life, from radio signals to laser flashes. Despite the vastness of the search and the sophistication of the tools, the cosmos remains eerily quiet, a silence that raises more questions than it answers about the prevalence of intelligent life in the universe. The Fermi paradox articulates the contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial civilizations' existence and the lack of evidence or contact with such civilizations. With billions of stars in the Milky Way alone, many with planets in habitable zones, the question arises, where is everybody? The paradox challenges scientists to explore explanations, from the rarity of life-developing conditions to the possibility of civilizations self-destructing before they can reach out into the cosmos. The rare Earth hypothesis posits that the conditions on Earth that allow for life are extraordinarily rare in the universe, a delicate balance of factors that is unlikely to be replicated elsewhere. This hypothesis suggests that while simple life forms may be common, complex life, especially intelligent life, is exceedingly rare. Counterarguments, however, point to the vast number of exoplanets discovered in the habitable zones of their stars, arguing for the potential abundance of life-supporting worlds. These debates underscore the dynamic nature of our search for understanding, a quest that spans from the microscopic building blocks of life on Earth to the grand scale of the cosmos. At the heart of this exploration lies the anthropic principle, a philosophical consideration that reflects on how the fundamental laws of the universe permit the emergence of observers like ourselves. This principle suggests that the universe must be compatible with the conscious life that observes it, implying a form of cosmic fine-tuning. Within the context of Earth as an alien experiment, the anthropic principle takes on a dramatic nuance, proposing that our existence might not just be a fortunate cosmic coincidence, but a deliberate outcome. This perspective invites us to ponder the role of consciousness in the universe's fabric, potentially engineered by entities with motives and methods beyond our comprehension. The notion of Earth and its myriad life forms as subjects in an alien experiment thrusts us into a labyrinth of ethical considerations. The sanctity of natural evolution and the autonomy of developing civilizations come into question, challenging our understanding of consent, rights, and the moral responsibilities of advanced civilizations. If humanity were to discover its history and development had been influenced or orchestrated by extraterrestrial beings, it would necessitate a profound re-evaluation of our place in the cosmic order and our perspectives on manipulation, guidance, and stewardship. Speculating on the motives behind hypothetical extraterrestrial experiments with Earth as their laboratory unveils a spectrum of possibilities, from the benevolent to the self-serving. These civilizations might be driven by a desire to spread life throughout the cosmos, acting as cosmic gardeners who cultivate life in its myriad forms. Alternatively, their experiments could serve as a grand sociological or scientific study, observing the development of consciousness and societal structures under varying conditions. There might also be motives we cannot fathom, dictated by the necessities or ethics of a civilization vastly different from our own. Each potential motive invites us to consider not just why such experiments might be conducted, but what the implications are for humanity's understanding of altruism, intervention, and the pursuit of knowledge. The cosmos whispers tales of infinite possibility, yet the rigorous lens of skepticism demands evidence before acceptance. Skeptical perspectives on theories of alien visitation and manipulation are grounded in the absence of incontrovertible proof, artifacts, technology, or biological evidence that unambiguously points to extraterrestrial origin. Critics argue that human propensity for pattern recognition and myth-making often fills gaps in understanding with tales of otherworldly intervention. This skepticism serves as a vital counterbalance, ensuring that our exploration of the universe remains anchored in evidence and scientific rigor, even as we ponder the vast unknowns. Occam's razor, the principle that the simplest explanation is usually the correct one, slices through the complexities of the alien experiment hypothesis with a demand for parsimony. Before leaping to conclusions of extraterrestrial involvement in Earth's development, this philosophical tool advises consideration of explanations grounded in known physical laws and the current understanding of the universe. While not a disproof of alien experimentation, Occam's razor encourages a critical examination of whether such theories are necessary to explain the phenomena we observe, or if they introduce unnecessary complications. The enigmatic nature of the alien experiment hypothesis lies in its grand scope and the limitations of human knowledge and technology. Proving or disproving the involvement of extraterrestrial civilizations in Earth's history presents formidable challenges. The vast distances of space, the potential for advanced technologies beyond our detection capabilities, and the unknown parameters of alien life forms make empirical evidence elusive. Furthermore, the philosophical quandary of distinguishing between natural cosmic phenomena and deliberate extraterrestrial manipulation adds layers of complexity to the pursuit of truth. This challenge does not only test the limits of our scientific endeavors, but also invites a deeper reflection on the nature of evidence, knowledge, and the thresholds of certainty. The alien experiment theory, were it to gain credibility, could fundamentally alter human self-perception and our collective understanding of our place in the cosmic tapestry. If humanity were to be seen not as a purely natural product of evolution, but as part of a deliberate experiment by extraterrestrial intelligences, it would challenge the very foundations of our identity. This revelation could lead to a profound existential crisis, or, conversely, an expanded sense of connection with the cosmos. The knowledge that we might not be alone, and that our existence has purpose and interest to other beings, could radically shift our perspective on life, purpose, and the universe itself. The validation of the alien experiment theory could have dramatic implications for scientific research and space exploration priorities. Funding and resources might shift significantly towards fields related to the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, astrobiology, and the technologies needed for deep space communication and travel. Efforts could be intensified to find definitive proof of extraterrestrial life and understand their technologies, motives, and methods. The quest for knowledge could extend beyond our solar system to potentially habitable exoplanets or ancient alien artifacts, signifying a new era of exploration driven by a desire to understand our origins and our place in the interstellar community. The acceptance or even the serious consideration of the alien experiment theory could lead to significant societal and cultural shifts. Religions, philosophies, and worldviews might undergo transformative re-evaluations in light of the new cosmic context. This could lead to greater unity or deeper divisions as humanity grapples with the implications of not being alone in the universe. Educational systems, literature, art, and media could evolve to reflect this new understanding, embedding the notion of extraterrestrial influence into the cultural zeitgeist. Conversely, outright rejection of the theory could strengthen scientific skepticism and a renewed emphasis on empirical evidence and rational explanation, potentially leading to a cultural rift between adherents of science and proponents of alternative explanations of human and Earth's history. This journey has taken us through the compelling vistas of the alien experiment theory, from the ancient and mythological evidence suggesting extraterrestrial contact to the rigorous sieve of scientific perspectives. We've navigated the philosophical and ethical considerations, faced the skepticism and counterarguments head-on, and pondered the profound implications such a theory holds for our identity, scientific pursuits, and societal structures. Each step has been a testament to humanity's insatiable curiosity and our relentless quest to understand the origins and purpose of our existence within the vast silent expanse of the cosmos. Our exploration has highlighted the delicate dance between the grounded rigors of scientific inquiry and the boundless realms of speculative thought. Science provides the tools and methodologies to seek truths, to peel back the layers of the universe's mysteries with precision and skepticism. Yet, it is speculative thinking that pushes the boundaries of what we consider possible, igniting the spark of inquiry with questions that leap beyond the current confines of evidence and understanding. This balance is not a contention, but a symbiosis. Speculative thought fuels the questions that science strives to answer, driving the cycle of discovery ever forward.